If you don't believe in yourself, then no one go believe in you. And a little time I start all over, and a little bit of time I lose. You would have yours. With some serious risk we run and some choice me chose. And a little time I start all over, and a little bit of time I lose. You would have yours. Miss I give up a call, but me no answer, me refuse. Most people where you see make it in a life, ask them if them never feel how much time. Time ya wasted, I wait pan a sign. Me chase my dream as my way go for what's mine. You only lose whenever you stop trying. No bad mind, none of your friends them when you see them and post things online. Remember when me did bankrupt, now every day me turn up in a bank line. And a little time I start all over, and a little bit of time I lose. You would have yours. With some serious risk we run and some choice me chose. And a little time I start all over, and a little bit of time I lose. You would have yours. Miss I give up a call, but me no answer, me refuse. Stop doubt yourself and start doubt your limits. It's either you're in for it or you wanna keep losing. Look how much hours make it the dark. You're just full of too much excuses. Life goes sweet like cold cake. Sickles back juice, I tell you let's do this. I your choice if you wanna play stupid. And a little time I start all over. You would have yours. With some serious risk we run and some choice me chose. And a little time I start all over. You would have yours. Miss I give up a call, but me no answer, me refuse. Man, I fi start over. Them think a little time and a little time. You have to lose for when. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Just push yourself, cause nobody not do it for you. If you don't believe in yourself, then no one go believe in you. And a little time I start all over, and a little bit of time I lose. You would have yours. With some serious risk we run and some choice me chose. And a little time I start all over, and a little bit of time I lose. You would have yours. Miss I give up a call, but me no answer, me refuse.
You wanna know. Levels, I'ma call these levels.
Dude, that's crazy.
You ain't there. Door to the place where I move them. Better start fit a song. Fast car song. Private jet a song. Diamond chain a worth. House panic. Uno hard dog clean. That's why I'm a 9 down left. And 9 I stop until my very last breath. Until my whole I wrinkle like shirt one press. Can't tap somebody where God done bless. Now I feel like my call your girl obsessed, yeah. How much time, me I figure shame on no. I just top at the top, she wanna be a levels. All I wanna when you're fighting capable. Like how much time, shame on no. I don't know love chat, man, I just be a so. I gon' beat on no, but so better be a no. Can't catch up to my PS, can't match up on the lame. Claim on no, I can't win, I walk up and I play. Like that, it have your son on the off of the beer. We had the flame, on go tell it begin. And every time on the dawn, my left for no amaze. Every style, I'ma bring on no a copy and paste. But you have more for sale, no just wait till the next verse me elaborate. I'ma know how much time, me I figure shame on no. I just top at the top, she wanna be a levels. All I wanna when you're fighting capable. Like how much time, shame on no. I don't know love chat, man, I just be a so. I gon' beat on no, but so better be a no. Fake smile when my son on my hair up. Cautious, remember Jesus on the nail up. Them not far different from bitches in a makeup. Them all the bar with your face status. That's how I stay so. Spend my money pan Jacob. Links them big like NATO. Sold out shows, me see thousands are real up. Upon me then couldn't keep a gate shut. How much time, me I figure shame on no. I just top at the top, she wanna be a levels. All I wanna when you're fighting capable. Like how much time, how much time, how much time, how much time. She ain't no, I don't know love chat, man, I just be a so I gon' beat to no, but so better be a for no. How much time, how much time, how much time. I don't stop at the top, she wanna be everything. Like, how much time, how much time. I don't know love chat, man, I just be a so I gon' beat to no, but so better be a for no. Never, never, I'm a cardi, never. Everybody wanna live for be a century. Now them place so you're lucky if you pass 20 dark. Them a send nigga mark, them a send nigga mark. Yeah, yeah. Otherwise you watch a step or you a step. And if you see a better blind and if you hear a better deaf. Yeah, what go on? Yeah, what go on? 20 years we'll just move back in the scheme. Got foreign for couple years and now him just flying. Make a little money and go buy a on the stream and nobody not like that, so I know them start for premiere. Couple years pass, now the Dan go see man him say, walk on, long time no see my G. The dancer things are good dark, cause some boy a try running and me I gonna need a money from you just so buy some new machine. Ricky say, no dog, different me a preem say, but can't give you dancer, where the fuck you mean? Who am I wonder if you know how you like his scheme? Better pinch yourself because you must in a yeah. Ricky reply, man not giving you anything. Do what you want, anything or anything. The dance say you start something where you cannot win. Better count the days because it's limited. But no, everybody want live for be a century. Now them place say you're lucky if you pass 20 dark. Them a say nigga mark, them a say nigga mark. Yeah, yeah. Better wise and watch you step or you a step. And if you see a better blind, yeah, you better left for lad. Yeah, what go on? With fear in I'm a tricky run, go tell him friend. Said that Dan want money for buy gun for men's. And if him don't get it, mount of people I go dead him friend said. People are for dead, but I know we are for them. We know a dog will get some strap sell lately. 100 gun a one, but me can talk him down to 80. Pull up on the men's and then we show them who a baby. A easy kill because them careless. Ricky say, I said thing me a try avoid. Me no want fight fire with fire. Ricky friend said, dog you have to protect your life. Cause if them all your gun alone can save you on a prayer. Cold street. Cold street. If you say the wrong word then you don't gon' leak. Or somebody you know gon' bleed. Cold way. Cold way. Hold on, here gon' learn. Is that what I say? So Ricky strap up with that thing when you ready to go follow through. Nervous, but him tell himself him have something for prove. Wait him just a wait for them go bungle up like Kalaloo. But something else a go on where him no know and him no have a clue. Ricky time is minimal. Him turn round and see him bridging with a strapping hand. Ready figure bust it, now him face and make a funeral. Ricky friend say boy you shoulda know you're not for this that. Just true Ricky even know say them don't make a plan. Get him for buy some gun and make sure say they arm is strong. And if him not cooperate, take away everything him have before Ricky coulda get for talk. Call him here. Ricky pan the gun a gap. Now feel no pain because him body still there in a shock. A choke in him on a blood. Slowly he may a lock. Ricky friend gone after him shot him with him on a strap. Ricky covered in a red. People are telling him that him not coming back. Everybody has say Ricky dead. But Ricky had him up and back. Everybody wanna live for be a century. Now them place so you're lucky if you pass 20 dark. Them a say nigga mark, them a say nigga mark. Yeah, yeah. Otherwise you watch a step or you a step. And if you see a better blind and if you hear a better deaf. Yeah, we're going. 20 years we'll just move back in the scheme. Got foreign for couple years and now him just flying. Make a little money and go buy a on the stream and nobody not like that, so I know them start for premiere. Couple years pass, now the Dan go see man him say, walk on, long time no see my G. The dancer things are good dog, cause some boy a try running and me I gonna need a money from you just to buy some new machine. Ricky say, no dog, different me a preem say, but can't give you dancer, where the fuck you mean? Who am I wonder if I know how way I like his scheme? Better pinch yourself because you must in a yeah. Ricky reply, man not giving you anything. Do what you want, anything or anything. The dance say you start something where you cannot win. Better count the days because it's limited. But no, everybody want live to be a century. Now them place say you're lucky if you pass 20 dog. Them must say nigga mark, them must say nigga mark. Yeah, yeah. Better wise and watch you step or you a step on. If you see a better blind, yeah, you better left for lad. Yeah, what go on? With fear in I'm a tricky run, go tell him friend. Said that Dan want money for buy gun for men's. And if him don't get it, mount of people I go dead him friend said. People are for dead, but I know we are for them. Yeah. We know a dog will get some strap or sell lately. 100 gun a one, but me can talk him down to 80. Pull up on the men's and then we show them who a baby. How easy kill because them careless. Ricky said, I said thing me a try avoid. Me no want fight fire with fire. Ricky friend said, dog you have a protect your life. Cause if them all your gun alone can save you on a prayer. Cold street. Cold street. If you say the wrong word then you don't go leak. Or somebody you know gon' bleed. Cold way.
How's everyone doing today? Good, what's good, everyone? How we do? Morning, Joseph. Morning, Janice. Alright, so today we got news pretty much in 22 minutes. That goes.
says you can do better. He's so immature. You're better off without him. My dad says the guy is a loser. He's anything but pure. You're better off without him.
Good morning, LBS. Good morning, Joe.
Because they don't. I sneak out my window at 3 a.m. Bright shotgun with a bottle of gin. I feel sick, but I hold it in. I know you're bad for me. Don't think my parents will understand. They say I'm Wendy, Peter Pan. If you go with them, you never land. I know you're bad for me. Bad for me. Bad for me. Bad for me. My brother says he's a tryhard and he won't go far. You're different when you're with him. Do I only like you because they don't? I sneak out my window at 3 a.m. Bright shotgun with a bottle of gin. I feel sick, but I hold it in. I know you're bad for me. Don't think my parents will understand. They say I'm Wendy, Peter Pan. If you go with them, you never land. I know you're bad for me. Bad for me. Bad for me. Bad for me. My mom says you can do better. He's so immature. You're better off without him. Bad for me.
What's going on, YouTube? Alright, 15 more minutes, and then we'll see what we're working with. For now, I'm looking for buys on gold, but we'll see what the news is going to give us. Yeah, this one. What's that? What? I'm gonna just mark Nas all over again. Mark Nas all over again.
Damn, it feels good to be country, sitting on a porch swing, strumming on a six-string, chickens pecking the ground. Call from an old crow sitting in the corn row, ain't that a beautiful sound? Well, I can't wait for the sun to set, I got a sweet thing next to me. I got all I need, man, damn, it feels good to be country. Damn, it feels good to be country, chewing on a grapevine, sipping on moonshine, hanging out in back of the shed. Me and my baby feeling kinda lazy, crawl up in the back of the truck bed. The night rolls in and the stars roll out and the fireflies dance in the trees. Got all I need, man, damn, it feels good to be country. Country folk like homegrown smoke and I'm drinking from a jar. And all we need is a pickup truck, you can keep your fancy car. And you might think we're crazy, but that's alright by me. We got wheel and all, we're singing all night long. Damn, it feels good to be country. Fishing with a cane pole down at a honey hole, honeysuckle blowing in the breeze. Get a little hotter, jumping in the water, clothes still hanging in the trees. Have a little fun, drip drying in the sun, and we listen to the mockingbird sing. Got all I need, man, damn, it feels good to be country. Country folk like homegrown smoke and I'm drinking from a jar. And all we need is a pickup truck, you can keep your fancy car. And you might think we're crazy, but that's alright by me. We got wheel and all, we're singing all night long. Damn, it feels good to be country. Country folk like homegrown smoke and I'm drinking from a jar. And all we need is a pickup truck, you can keep your fancy car. And you might think we're crazy, but that's alright by me. We got wheel and all, we're singing all night long. Damn, it feels good to be easy like Sunday, living life my way, taking things nice and slow. We got wheel and all, we're singing all night long. Damn, it feels good to be country. We got wheel and all, we're singing all night long. Damn, it feels good to be country.
spot on with your demand.
You say what?
Spot on with your demand.
Oh, down in London station.
Yep.
Yeah.
I was sure that was gonna like at least bounce at the POC, but nope. Straight through it.
Yeah, since it was technically the high, and other time frames did not pretty much close above that high, right? Even the 5 barely closed above it.
Yeah.
It's the 30. Nice rejection right here.
I was thinking it would have like pulled back before making that
Oh,
next push down.
Push down.
Yeah.
I mean, he did it to the 15 supply.
Yep.
Oh, you meant it was going to come down and then reject the POC before it did the pullback?
No, like it was gonna come down, tap here, pull back, retest, and then down.
Mm.
Good trade, good trade.
Okay. Now I'm actually looking for buys now. Until it breaks this high or rejects higher. I mean, until it breaks this low or rejects higher. Pretty much current London low. We're breaking highs to the left. Even though this move came from a supply. See if this bullish move is gonna continue. What's the name of that artist on my playlist? Is it this one? If it's this one, then... Oh. Man, I don't know. Let me see what that was. Yeah, I don't even think it says the name here. It just says Country Trap. I didn't even realize I was playing genre.
Lenore did not take the sell, but she took the buy. So very nice.
Oh, you didn't take this early now?
If you think you've got what it takes.
There you go. It's country. It just says Country Trap. It doesn't say the name of the artist. I don't know why. Yeah, Joey, we're waiting for the news. We got 2 more minutes left for news. We got 2 more minutes. NQ will pretty much start looking for a setup on NQ if we don't have a trade in gold once NYSE opens.
If opposites attract, we make the perfect pair.
5 seconds.
Turn our spark into a flare.
And here we go. That's that previous 15 minutes supply that I think we tapped again. Oh no, didn't tap it. Oh, also fine. If we keep going up here on gold, I would like to see how we react at that supply again. Oh wow, did this candle stop pie out? Because I remember
He was
we
talking
took
about
this-
it.
We took the sell before we did.
Yeah, when it came back up, he was like, "Oh my God, it's gonna stop me out and stuff." So maybe.
Uh, Hey, Dottie, how you doing?
Damn, Edwin's not here again. But he's on Discord. This guy.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah, I see him online on Discord. Oh, Pie's here.
Oh, Pie, that London session sell. Did you get your
Yeah.
full TP or it stopped you out at entry?
No, I got 150 pips.
Damn.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you go more than me. Damn.
Yeah. Held that bad boy.
Where'd you TP at?
My TP was. Oh, sorry, I just got to get my futures price back up. I want to say it was like 32.29.
32?
There are two.
Oh, sorry, 32.99 on spot.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, spot is still at 3200s?
No, 99,
Oh.
32.99.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
32.99 on futures is way down here.
No, not not futures on spot on forex.
Okay.
So he got out like
That was
here.
that's what my
Oh.
yeah, that's what my broker gave me.
Yeah. My
But
TP
on,
was like just a bit higher.
Oh, I thought
think we're actually-
I thought you didn't take the sell.
No, I didn't take the sell with you guys. I took it here. Like here.
I figured.
15 pip stop. There. TP at the POC, which was like up here.
Okay.
85 pips.
Gee, both of you got more than me. I only got 70.
Yeah, but I was in a lot earlier.
I would take my small 70.
I'm not even gonna trade anymore because I went hard on that thing. I got my perfect setup, just went full size.
Mm,
I'm done.
yeah.
Uh,
This
well, can I
yeah,
ask you?
this is a good setup right here.
Yeah. Sorry, go ahead.
You know, you obviously, I know you saw the seller that I saw at 33.65 because you made a noise.
Yeah, yeah.
It would you normally set your order or sell on the retest of him, or would you sell with him, or would you wait for the retest of him?
So I wait for the because this is like holding. So the New York value high was here, and it created a support there, right? So I don't want to just, set a pending order up there because it could just, keep going. So I
Yeah,
wanted to see
yeah,
the aggressive selling coming in, and then it did, and I made that noise, and I immediately put join the sell, join the ask, but it never
yeah,
filled me. It just kept going down. So I was like, oh well, whatever. And
yeah.
then I just,
Cool.
waited for the break and retest like that, sell it, 15 pip stop, bam, I'm done.
Yeah, this is pretty much getting in an aggressive way, even the one we took. This is the very clean setup right here because broke the minor low right here, aggressive selling, pullback, continuation. If it goes up there and reject again, I'm gonna wait for that move. Because we are breaking highs, we're not breaking lows. Right now, gold in this range rejected the low that pretty much created the high, and we broke highs to the left on the way up. We're not breaking lows. So if it goes up there and reject, we need to be sure that it is actually going to continue to the downside here.
Oh, and Pi, like, how you said, like, would I just set an order?
NQ better than gold. Does NQ look better than gold?
No.
I don't know. I think gold looks better.
Yeah.
I mean, NQ doesn't look that bad, but gold looks better than NQ today. Right.
I was just gonna say, I would not be afraid to set a pending order like here because it did break the key level. And then if I see like a big sell order somewhere here, I could set a pending order and just be happy with that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You only took it on futures because you've been saying pending orders?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because on futures, I can see where on the, the left is like a large order came in, and I can just set an order right where that guy originally was.
Mm-hmm. Sell setup. As of right now, I'm not looking for sales in gold until we pretty much start rejecting this previous 5-minute supply where this move to the downside started from. Because as of right now, the range we're in and previously, like I said, we've been breaking highs since we created the previous daily candle low, breaking highs. So as of right now, we got to be careful with sales. This London low, the current London low, might pretty much be the London low for the day and end up breaking its own high. So if it closes above London high, then you got to look for buys at that point, pretty much up until potentially this 1 hour's. I don't like this 1 hour. So this first 1 hour supply, I prefer this second one. Oh no. Put line here. Okay. 30. Okay, at 1 hour supply, or maybe this 15. Right before we broke that low, so what I'm going to. So we just gotta be patient here. Okay, so while we're waiting, I'm gonna go take me a smooth break and I'll be right back. While Pi, you guys please take over for me, and I will be right back. While you're still here?
Yep, yep.
Oh, Sash, man, I don't wanna mess up this dude's name. Okay, I'm just not gonna say it. But I think he's asking you a question on YouTube.
All right, Shash Kabrat. I probably fucked that name up. Shash. No, I don't use level 2 data. Level 2 data is for, seeing the orders, the resting orders, which is actually good. Like, then you can see, like, say, someone's got a pending 30 lot at this price and you're looking for the sells. You can just, put your order, like, just one tick below him to get filled. Sashka is Alexander. Also, you can see like these large random 100 lot orders with the level 2 data just sitting like, maybe like 100 pips away from the price. It's like good to see like a random like, oh look, there's like 100 lot just sitting here for some strange reason. And then it's like, well, price is probably gonna go and grab that at some point. But is it necessary to have that? Not necessary. It's like, if that's, if you're gonna incorporate that into your trading, you definitely can and take advantage. Make sure you take advantage of it. Before I also used to look at the time and sales as well, but now I still have it on my chart, but I don't really pay attention to it. I almost never look at it. I just look at the footprint chart and the volume profile. Because at some point in time, it's like you have too much information on your chart and it dilutes your, effectiveness to read the other data. Oh yes, and VWAP. I got VWAP on my chart. but I don't have to really look at it until it actually gets there. Oh, and one thing that level 2 data can do for you, that is very unique to only level 2 data that can, do it, is sometimes, you've got, say, like a bunch of 5 lot, 10 lot orders, all, let's say down here, right? Just all stacked up because that's how the market normally is. You got orders all over the place. And then with level 2 data, if you're paying attention, sometimes you'll notice like suddenly all these like 10 lot, 5 lot, 20 lot orders, they just vanish and it just becomes like a bunch of ones and twos. And whenever you see that, you immediately jump out of your buy position because the big players, they're not willing to support the price and they'll immediately pull it and then you'll get this crazy flush, which is how come, you get those crazy candles that move so fucking fast in one direction.
Let's do something crazy. Get a bit wild today. 'Cause we don't do this every day. And we did.
Testing a new setup on demo for a week now, and today I decided to take it on my live account and got 1 to 4 London and in New York 1 to 4 in this buy. Oh, nice. Very nice. The footprint chart you are using, standard one or custom? So it's a standard one from Tradeovate. So Tradeovate, you just activate the order flow tools and then you just change your chart type from candlestick to bid ask volume. And I also do add a indicator, which is the current candle POC. So every time a candle prints, whether you're using time-based, tick-based chart, whatever, it'll show you the POC of that candle. So obviously if it's trending, that prior candle POC will act as, your support or resistance. Because that's where the buyers or sellers, majority of them came in. Which allows you to, get super tight stop losses. Because let's say when I took this sell here, my stop loss was just there. So I saw that, this big bullish candle, the POC was like roughly up there. So I just sold it against that POC and then just have my stop loss resting above it. Scalping sells, gold kept pulling back up. No, it's usually not. It's 50%. It tends to be like 75% of the way up or down on the candle. If the POC is in the middle of a candle, the 50%, that's a doji. You're out, took your little profit on your sell scalp, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, you're gonna need some time to get used to Trade-O-Vate because of the way it, you know, the way you have to move your chart and the way you have to place your orders and stuff like that. It's not as simple as TradingView, but once you get the hang of it, it allows you to see the data way better than what TradingView can do. Not to mention it's live. TradingView, there's like a 1 second delay. It's like MetaTrader. MetaTrader is like constantly live updating as well. Oh yeah, Trade-O-Vate's super ugly. Yeah. Top Step is very nice. Top Step X thing is very nice, but again, I hate the fact that it's like delayed by 1 second. Yeah, NinjaTrader does look a lot better. Functions good as well. But unfortunately, it does not offer the footprint order flow stuff unless you pay them money, and it costs like $1,000, which is, I think it's like 1,000 or 1,500, which is ridiculous. It's like, what the hell are you talking about? Got it free on Trade-O-Vate.
Trade-O-Vate is like Ninja Trader owns it. I don't know if Ninja Trader bought Trade-O-Vate, but they own Trade-O-Vate. I guess that's why Ninja Trader looks better.
Yeah.
But Trade-O-Vate just has that more futures for free.
And you don't have to install it. It's just like on the web browser.
Yeah,
super easy.
You can use the web browser too. Ninja Trader, you can use the web browser too, but it looks exactly like Trade-O-Vate.
Oh, right.
So this 15 minutes of supply here, we pretty much, still rejected it. I'd like to see aggressive selling from here if we are going to hold this supply. That's just hanging out over here.
It's waiting for NYSC to do like a fucking crazy candle. It takes out the highs and the lows.
I prefer this 15 minutes supply. And YouTube, when I say, I prefer this supply, or I prefer this demand, when I say that, what I'm trying to say is, if it gets to the supply or demand that I actually prefer, I'm not even gonna think twice. Like, there will be no doubt in my mind absolutely going to pull the trigger. But if it does it at a supply or demand that I understand it's there and it's actually a good supply or demand, and I know there's also a chance for price to hold that zone, considering what I talked about last week, which is pretty much the structural pattern. Okay. Now, for example, price is pushing up. Okay, price is pushing up. And we have a demand here. I'm giving you guys pretty much the sneak peek of what this weekend's 3-day bootcamp is pretty much going to be about, that we're going to pretty much look at. Okay, so all these lows here are what? Demand zones. Now, based on structural pattern, price is pushing up. We're creating higher lows and higher highs. Now, I want you guys to understand that even if price, for example, come all the way back down to this low here, where the original move, where the move originated from, it's still a higher low. However, it's not a perfect one. Now, the perfect one that I will be looking for is for price to come back here, not break this low. Because in between this high and this low, there might be one demand in between, there might be two, depending on how big the higher high we create, depending on the volume of the higher high that we created. So there might be one demand or two demand in between before we get there. So of course, this will be the perfect one that I will be looking for. Now I do understand that this one demand, or maybe if it's two demand, I do understand that they could hold, but I'm going to think twice before I execute, if that makes sense. Now, if it breaks this low here and close below this low, at that point, I understand that, okay, we are still bullish. However, there is a chance for me to catch a sell. Okay, because whatever made price create this high here and reject and came down aggressively, those sellers could still be there, depending on what pretty much the overall structure is. Because this bullish move might not be the overall structure. It could just be momentum. So if this low gets taken out, that is when I'm going to actually start thinking twice, okay, what's the overall structure here? What happened previously to the left? Why did we come down aggressively from that high? These are the things that I'll be looking at and thinking in my head. There has to be a reason why this low got taken out. We either want to continue down further just to have a deeper pullback and price continue. But if it breaks this low coming from a supply to the left, previous supply, and we are still bearish, meaning we've not taken out the swing high, pretty much where the move to the downside started from, then I know, okay, there is a chance price could continue down where we were breaking highs, but we might want to come down lower. So I will look. We close below. I'll look for quick sales if I can catch quick sales. Now, if I can't, I'm going to keep looking for buys, because in this range, this is the low that created this high. So until this low gets taken out, I'm still going to be looking for buys. If this didn't hold, this can hold. If this does not hold, this can hold. If that makes sense. So these are some of the stuff we need to know. What I just explained, you can equate that to what I'm about to do now on gold. Right now on gold, I'm going to be looking for short-term sales. And I know there is a chance we could either, oh, this is the 3 minutes. We could either, what the hell? Okay, so we could either break this low and continue lower because this high here was the high that created this low and we failed to break it here. Okay, we failed to break it high, to break and close above. So there is a chance we could break this low. If I'm unable to take a sell here, I'll still be looking for buys here because we have BOS to the left, we're breaking highs. However, if this low gets taken out, I'm going to expect it to continue down. At that point, I'm going to start looking at, like 15-minute closures, 30-minute closures below this low. So we can't use a 15-minute resistance just yet. Supply just yet. So I'm going to use this right here. To take sales here. If we come down, I'm gonna expect this thing to come all the way back to this demand that held previously. And pretty much either grab this low if we're gonna continue higher or create a double bottom here. Do something. Right now, so we held this 15. Okay. Oh. So we held that 15. Right now, I would prefer if we can actually reject off the 15 again. Now, the 5 could actually hold, and we'll see. We'll see what we have if this 5-minute holds. But I would prefer the 15-minute supply again. Then I'm going to execute on this. But let's see what happens to this 5-minute. We could do it now, or we could do it once we pretty much break and close below at least 3356.5. And this, if we create a support here, so the support could end up breaking this high and continue high. And YouTube, you guys got to talk today. Got to talk by fire, by force. So those of you that are already you already signed up for this weekend's 3-day boot camp. They're ready. Today is Thursday. Pretty much start tomorrow.
Tomorrow's gonna be wild. NFP day.
Yep, it is going to be. see what we're gonna do from this 5 minute. Yeah. Totally.
Man, yesterday some guy like he commented after the yesterday news came out about something interest rate, gold, bad, and it's like, man, I hope he took the sell. Because holy shit, he was spot on.
Oh yeah, that tanked. FOMC tanked it
Yeah.
again. All right. Get ready. We might be selling.
Take my time when I wake up in the morning. No stress, no way. Fix my hair, yeah, I'm ready and I'm bowling. Fresh press, good day. Feeling good, feeling great, feeling blessed. Oh yeah, I'm telling everybody. Feeling good, feeling great, feeling blessed. Like a Maserati. Get ready for a brand new day. Good things gonna come my way. Get ready for a brand new day. Get ready for a brand new day. Good things gonna come my way. Get ready for a brand new day. S-M-I-L-E. It's the kind of day when you just gotta believe that everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be
Stop loss is going to be 70 ticks here.
just gotta believe that everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Yeah. Take my time getting ready for the party. No stress, let 'em wet. Take my time sipping juice, pop Bacardi. Turn the radio up. Feeling good, feeling great, feeling blessed. I'm telling everybody. Feeling good, feeling great, feeling blessed. Like a Maserati. Get ready for a brand new day. Good things gonna come my way. Get ready for a
Yeah, OM.
Yes. Oh, and like Abe says, if you got that win during London, don't over risk on this second trade.
Yep, it's the best.
$10 NYSE.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. This candle, the way it flipped bearish real quick. Let's see. Oh man. Well, for like 70 too much. Yeah. And then those rulers are not accurate. Candles.
Oh, that's interesting. It never triggered that price on GC.
No, it's only on this and dubstep that I'm in.
I'm just saying it's like it got there for your MGC, but not GC that price.
Yeah. Yep. Which is annoying sometimes, but check. I can't trade GC on those English accounts. That would be
What is this?
That would be over risky.
Oh, 50K, yeah. What's the drawdown? It's 3K, right?
No, the maximum drawdown?
Yeah.
2.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, 2. And then what's the daily?
1,000.
Okay.
And it's got ESS score.
What is that?
Consistency score.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the way this candle spats down, I didn't like it. But if it comes down again, of course it's gonna hit my entry on my account. Got, I mean, it got close enough.
Oh, Max says there is no daily loss on top one.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me check. Let me check. Oh, yeah, you're right. Take that back. Yep, no daily loss, just maximum. But I think that's only for the Eastern funded or the yeah, what's the other one called?
Like evaluation?
Simple accounts. I know one of them has a consistency score of 30%. They give you the opportunity to blow the account in one day.
Wait a second. Who owns top one? Is that Donbo?
Top one doesn't like bidders like that, anyways. That's Apex. Apex, they tell you you can pass it in one day if you want. So now it's falling nicely. The way this candle spies down, I don't know if you guys remember, like, man, this candle though, I don't like the way it spies down, but we'll see. Came down too fast. Ooh. If we do come down from here, it's going to be the perfect lower high in this range. Alright, I'm in now on my trader rate. You're in on there too?
Oh no, I'm not gonna trade. I'm done.
You scared of New York now?
No. I'm done. I'm done. I went in with like 15 contracts on that London sell for 85 pips.
MGC or GC?
GC.
Shit. Okay. Yeah. It should be done for the week. Gold will
There's
fall.
that, you know.
Well, I agree with you, Janice, but we'll see. We'll see. Because it keeps creating bottom wicks now.
Side by side candles, tiny bodies.
The past 2 weeks, New York session has not pretty much been friendly with me. Like, New York session has a beef with me or something.
Yeah. London session, New York session, they've kind of like teamed up to say, hey, Abe, don't leave London.
Hate watching candles like this.
Yeah.
Beautiful, nice. Unfortunately, you should have waited till NYSE nice. NYSE opens in 1 minute. NYSE gonna be with us or against us? We're about to find out. Let's hope NYSE joins the sell train. Hold their breath. It's here. Oh, Nas is dropping. We're gonna do the same. Open with no top wick.
I am done. That's racist. That's racist, man. Is it because I'm Asian?
Does he know you're Asian? I said, I don't think Max has ever seen your face. Man, look at Nas go.
Oh my god. Damn.
On point analysis on Nas. Now let's see if we're gonna be on point with gold. We've executed the trade. It's out of our hands now. Now it's up to the market. So they're gonna let us know whether we took the right or wrong trade. How you said Nas left ape screen? Yeah, fortunately, Nas is gone. Let's look at gold on the 30-minute. So ugly.
Oops.
It was an ankle sell, then try going against it like an idiot. If this rejection on NQ happened at the NYSE, man, absolutely would have taken this sell on NQ. But the rules I set for myself in regards to NQ is to only trade it after NYSE.
Hey Jay.
We are going to need an engulfing candle closure on that, on the SNS, on gold. What happened, DD? What are you trying to say? You do this line here. Or is it not DD that do this line?
Jeez, I don't know.
Maybe not.
Oof, brutal, man. Look at that. It's just going straight sideways. Fuck.
This is the worst thing to see when you're in a trade. But before I'm in a trade, okay, you can do what you want, but shit. Once I take that trade, just go my way. And if you're gonna do the other way, shit, do it quick. Don't torture me.
Yeah.
Do it quick. That's life of a day trader. You gotta sit there and go through the pain and the torture. During London session now, man, what I've been doing now, once we take the trade and it starts acting funny, shit, I'm like, man, I ain't watching this. I'm gonna just let it do its thing and freaking turn my computer off, my phone off, and go take a nap until the NY session.
That's the best way.
Yep.
We're on a space rocket on our way to the stars, on infinite view, a ray of light in the dark. You spark my ignition, blow up when you're with me. We are a space riders, we are going deep. Come on, we're loading up, we're defying gravity. Come on, we're lighting up, ride on magnetic field. Come on, we're loading up on the supernova stream. Come on, we're lighting up, we are electricity. Let's start a riot and run away with me. This is a chain reaction. We are electricity. We strike like a lightning, like a bolt of energy. Current running through our bodies. We are electricity. Load it up and run away with me. Light it up. We are electricity. Load it up like a bolt of energy. Light it up. We are electricity. We're charging ahead, matching polarity. I wanna go high,
Don't know which is more painful, dentist or trading. Waiting to go into the dentist. Man. I mean, I would say trading is more painful. Because with the dentist, you're not gonna feel that pain for a long time. But trading, man, especially if you blow your account. Yeah, depending on the amount you blew, you might feel that shit for freaking weeks, months, maybe even the whole year. Depending on whether you blew your life savings. Money is very, very powerful.
Damn. Still going sideways.
I know, right? Alright, New York better act right starting from freaking Monday, because it's gonna be a new week and new month.
Yeah, and then
Tomorrow.
NFP's over.
Yeah. So right now, this is the current New York high, and could end up being New York high for today. We don't know yet.
Order filled.
Oh,
Whoa!
wow. What the fuck?
Whoa!
That's insane.
Well, all I have to say
Win.
is thank you.
Oh, what the fuck?
Whoa! That was Wait, what happened? Did Trump tweet?
Oh, maybe, yeah, maybe tweeted. Jesus.
Hey, somebody go on Twitter right now. Go on Twitter. Did Trump tweet? Because this candle is not ordinary. I'm gonna go to Trump's page on Twitter. I got to know, because I did say we need an engulfing candle, but shit, I was not expecting this. Yeah, something happened. Nah, it didn't tweet. Do you see anything on this candle on Footprint Wall?
No, it's just a massive selling.
Yeah, but the way it came down was suspicious.
But it didn't come down that far on GC.
I'm already out.
On GC?
Uh-huh.
Oh, never even, like, it's only like at 33553.3 is the lowest it went on GC. Like MGC, it fucking tanked.
Wait, let me see. Because I got in manually after I didn't do activate me the first time,
Uh-huh.
and then I just use this to set the TP and stop loss. I'm out.
On point, oh yes, that's fresh. All my friends want one too, that's fresh. See me with the best, that's right, I'm fresh. Stay fresh, I'm fresh.
Only on my platform? Huh.
That's fresh,
Wait.
I'm fresh. Fresh like a boss. Everyone wants one. You want one too? Fresh.
Good that it goes in other directions. Wait, so some of you are still in?
That's fresh. See me with the best, that's right, I'm fresh. Stay fresh,
Huh.
I'm fresh. That's fresh.
I use this to set the alert on my thing. And,
Stepping up, feeling so fresh. Yeah,
this should continue down though.
I'm the boss.
302.
Wants one. So fresh, so fresh. Yeah, so fresh. What you feeling like? Feeling so fresh. Oh yes, that's fresh. Fresh. That's fresh. I'm fresh. That's fresh. Fresh. That's fresh. Fresh like a boss.
Oh. Come on in. Where is it at on your Twitter right now?
Right now it's at 55.3. The lowest was 54.3.
On this top one account, I've not been paying attention to the consistency score until freaking this morning. So I wanna pretty much pass this right exactly at 3,000. I gotta make sure I don't make more than 600. I went over it today, but it's just $18 over. Not bad. Because if I keep making, like, let's say $100 more, then it's going to add to the 3K. You know what I mean? Instead of 3K, then now I might need like an extra $100.
Yeah.
So yeah. All right, YouTube. I appreciate you all. Quick win today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow, last day of this trading week. And if you're still interested in the 3-day bootcamp, you still have time to secure your spot. Link is in the description. God bless you all. We'll be back again tomorrow. See you guys then. Peace. I'm out. All right, Zoom. I'm going to see you guys though in London tomorrow.
All right. Thanks, Luke.
You're welcome, guys. See you guys then.
Yo, Javi. I know the pressure overwhelming. All this life is a mess. I know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking on man more than he can be a my virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I me I wait for the wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't tell me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them a pray for don't fire. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God. Come and know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking on man more than he can be a my virgin. Might not be the best of my life, but we still stand the test of time. Still number one in my type price. Keep them things, but we'll keep my pride. Might not work, but at least I tried. Fed up as I feel sometimes, and I admit I've cried. But it's a part of life. No high pressure overwhelming, and no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking on man more than he can be a my virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I me I wait for the wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't tell me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them a pray for don't fire. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God. Come and know the pressure overwhelming. And illegal things feel tempting. Because in 9 to 5 I know investing. I just preparation for blessings.